Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my Dritor review. We are going to be taking a close look at the Dritor software in this review. This goes live today, 23rd of January, and this is a software that has three different parts. First, you are going to be able to store your files, videos, images, audios, documents, different type of files. You are going to be able to store in this cloud-based platform. Not only that, you also get access to image editor and you get access to video editor. Now, I've put together some bonuses here. These bonuses actually make you money individually with some free traffic software you're going to get access to. You are going to find the link to my bonus page in the description of this video. Now, one thing I love so much, especially about the video editor, is the ease of use. Now, any beginner can just pick up the software and use this to create amazing videos. Now, most importantly, the software that I'm actually giving you as bonuses would make you money individually. Once again, you find the link in the description of this video, and if this sounds like something that you might be of interest in, let's get straight into the review.
Hello and welcome to this Dritor review. This is the dashboard of Dritor. We're going to be talking more about this in this review. And this is my bonus page. You find the link to this page in the description of this video. You are going to be able to get access to Dritor from 11 a.m. 23rd of January. So this is the members area. This gives you the opportunity to upload files in just one click. All you need to do is click on the upload button here, or you can come here to come and click on the upload button, and then this allows you to drag and drop files here, or if you want, you can click to basically upload files from your computer, images, videos, documents. And you also get access to two different editors. You get access to image editor, and this basically allows you to edit photos here, or let me just click on this, and then you can basically edit the photo, place text on this. Let's select a color, and let's click on add text, and then you can basically add text here. So you can basically use this to create any type of image or design you want. This has different features here that allow you to basically customize images exactly the way you want. Not only that, you get access to video editor, and then you can basically edit videos. You can go and customize videos here. You can show or hide the controls right here, and then you can do image fade, you can reverse the video, you can add audio, you can rotate, you can add text that will show up on top of the video. You can trim and basically do different types of operations on your videos. And this basically turns you into an expert video editor right from inside of this cloud-based software. You get access to page builder, which I'm not sure is available in the front end, but I'm actually giving you bonuses that allow you to create your pages, which we are going to talk about in a short while. So this gives you access to cloud storage. This gives you access to edit images. This also gives you access to video editor, all inside one members area. Now, if you go to files, let's go to all files, for example. You can basically do any operation with all your files. Like you can edit, you can create a copy, you can copy to clipboard, you can select the file, and also you can even share this from the cloud-based software. So if you click here now, you get an HTML code that you can actually go and embed on any other website, which is going to show your file. Let's say you want to embed an image, for example. You get the HTML code here, and without you copying the image and going to upload it on another website, you can just embed it on that website and it's going to show up. And the same thing with videos. So this allows you to upload files, share files, edit files, edit images, edit videos, and all those cool stuff. Now, I've actually put together bonuses here. Now, these bonuses individually give you the opportunity to make a ton of money on the internet. So my bonus number one is the traffic boost. Now, this is a done for you solution that allows you to just go and get your affiliate link. Now, I know so many people are busy. So many people still have jobs. So many people are still students, and all these things actually take a lot of time. And I noticed that that's probably the only reason why some people are not making money yet. They can't do review videos. They know that they can make money with review videos, but they can't do it, or they don't know how to do that. So what I'm actually offering here in this bonus is I'm going to be giving you the opportunity to just submit your affiliate link. Now, get a link for a product that is launching. You can actually go to Munch Eye, look for 5 days ahead, get a link, and then I am going to do a video for you, which I'm going to even upload for you on my other channel and add your link, offer bonuses and add your link in the description of this video. Now, this is one of the easiest way, the most straightforward way that you can actually make commissions, as even a complete newbie. So this is going to be just one link. If you are getting the front end and you get upgrades, now for each upgrade you get, you also get the opportunity to submit extra links, which also actually increases your opportunity to make money. You're not going to be doing videos, you're not going to be creating any pages. This is going to be done for you. All you need to do is submit your link. And if you are actually purchasing, if I'm offering this also in any other product, as bonus for any other product, you also get to submit your link for one product, and then we get to create review video for you, bonus page for you, upload the video for you, and even try to run the video for you on my other YouTube channel. Also, plus number two, I'm going to be giving you access to a cloud-based software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic from other people's video. Now, also here, you don't need to create any video. Once you log into the cloud-based software, you can actually search and pull any of these viral videos in any niche, and then you can put your affiliate links on these videos. Now, you can upload images that are going to show up on these videos, and when people click on your images, it's going to take them to your affiliate links. You can also create clickable call to action that people can click to go to your link. On top of all these viral videos, you can even add opt-in forms on these images, on these videos, that people would see, they will opt in, and they are ultimately going to be redirected to any link you want to send them to. So this is a video traffic software that works in any niche. Also, plus number three, I'm going to be giving you access to another cloud-based software. Now, this gives you done for you professionally created product reviews, ClickBank product reviews, WordPlus product reviews. Now, all you need to do is get your links. Like in the case of ClickBank, you just have to get your go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID, add it to your profile, and then you are good to go. All the buttons on this professionally done product reviews become your own affiliate links, which is pretty cool. Now, the software comes with free traffic and also free traffic training. Also, bonus number four, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own website. This is one skill you need in 2022. If you want to make a ton of money, you can just go through this training, find out how to create a website from scratch. Get domain name, get hosting, create WordPress website. If you want to create an affiliate website, an e-commerce website, you can take this skill, go to marketplace like Fiverr, set up your own gig, and start getting paid hundreds of dollars for creating a website. Or even if you want, you can create your own affiliate website for yourself, your review website, your e-commerce website, or any type of website you want to create. I am going to be showing you here as someone who has over 10 years experience with website creation, website design, and web administration. Also, bonus number five, you're going to be getting access to Facebook traffic software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic from Facebook, and this allows you to set the whole process in automation. So this keeps driving you traffic even while you are busy sleeping. And of course, this comes with page builder also. So even if all you get is the front end of Dritor, which I'm not sure has the page builder, you get access to a custom page builder here in this software, in this bonus number five here. Bonus number 6, I'm going to be showing you a number of ways you can actually make money on YouTube with videos without you having to show your face on camera. I'm going to be showing you free video, tools that you can use to create videos, edit videos, become, a professional video maker, and how to actually monetize these videos that are so easy, that will be so easy for you to make. And that's my bonus number 6. Bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to a premium bonus page creator that allows you to, that gives you access to done for you bonuses, done for you graphics, and allows you to create your own bonus pages just like this one. And this actually solves your problem of conversions. This gives you the best conversions on even very little traffic. Bonuses get you the best conversions online, especially in the affiliate marketing niche. Also, bonus number 8, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses in addition to mine bonuses. So what you need to do to claim these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. And if you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of Dritor. This is where you're going to be able to pick it up, and we are going to be getting information about the cloud-based software. So here in the members area of Warrior Plus, once you purchase Dritor, you can log into your Warrior Plus account, go to your purchases, you find Dritor, and then you find my own bonuses right next to it. So let's go to the sales page. It says stop paying the expensive monthly fees to Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Photoshop, or Vimeo. Get this 4-in-1 cloud app for life at a one-time price with unlimited cloud storage, video editor, image editor, and web page builder. So come check out the sales page in your own time to get more information about the Dritor software. Once this goes live, 23rd January, 11 a.m. Eastern time. So you're going to get full information about the Dritor software here, and it also shows you all the features here. Data is protected with end-to-end SSL encryption, and also you get access to auto storage expansion as per usage. I think this is pretty cool for a one-time fee. Let's talk about the pricing right now. Let's see how much this costs. So for a one-time fee of $17, you get access to the Dritor software, and you get to keep the software for life. No monthly fees, no annual fees whatsoever, and you get access to all these features. This is completely, user friendly, no learning curve. Just log in and start using this. And now the optional upgrades like the Dritor Pro, you get access to all these features also, multiple file upload at a time. You get access to all these awesome features as upgrade number 1, and this goes for 47. The second optional upgrade is the Dritor editor version. You get access to unlocked power of editors, use image and video editor full force, enable all features in the image and video editor, and all other features also. This goes for 37. OTO number 3 is the paid builder version, that goes for 97. OTO number 4 is the done for you, that goes for 97 also. OTO number 5 is the agency version, that goes for 99. You can create up to 100 accounts for users from your own dashboard. And also OTO number 3 is the reseller version that allows you to sell the Dritor and make 100% profit for selling the software. So that's going to be my Dritor review. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.